Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your app module in Android Studio and saving a backup or committing to version control. This keeps you safe if something breaks. Once done, find res/values/strings. XML, where the app name's string usually lives, and open Android Manifest to confirm the application Android. Label uses that string. Make sure you understand whether the visible name comes from a string resource versus a literal label, because changing the string resource is the cleanest first step. Now edit the app name value in res/values/strings. XML to the new name. This directly changes the label shown under the icon. If Android Manifest used a literal label instead, replace it with its string/appname or your new literal as appropriate. After editing, sync Gradle and perform a clean rebuild so resource caches update, then install on an emulator or device. Make sure to check product flavors and any localized values folders in case other resources override the default name. Finish by installing the rebuilt app and confirming the launcher label shows the new name. Open app settings to verify the display title too. If the old name persists, uninstall or clear data from the device to remove cached labels and rebuild. Make sure localized strings in res/values-20 override aren't still using the old name, and update Play Store listings separately since the store name is managed in the console. If you see manifest merge issues, inspect merged manifest to find which resource wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.